Hello friends, today we will learn how to do Chinese knot. We will do the Chinese knot within this circle. To begin with, we will come up from any point of the circle. Now we will use our index finger to wind the thread over it like this and then turn it around. I'll show you again. Take your index finger, wind the thread over it and then turn your index finger. By doing this, it will form a loop and my working thread will be below the top thread. You can see this is the thread we came out, it formed a loop and my working thread is below it. Now we will insert the needle within the loop and come out from this point from where we came out. Just above that, we'll insert the needle within the loop. I'll just try to shift the loop and show you. Over here, we will insert the needle just above from we came out. Now place the needle over here and pull the working thread to form a knot and then pull your needle down. Now this will secure the knot by a small vertical stitch above it. We'll repeat the same stitch again. Come up from any point of the circle. Wind the thread over to your index finger from top to down and then turn your finger. By doing this, you will form a loop and your working thread will be underneath. Now, this is the point where we came out. We will insert the needle just above that and hold your needle over there and pull the working thread to tighten the knot and then pull the thread down. So this will create a Chinese knot. Let's repeat this stitch once again. See how it's done. Sorry for this, I will just trim the thread. Okay, let's begin. Wind the working thread over your index finger. Turn it around and insert the needle just above from we came out. Came up. Hold your needle over there. Pull the working thread to tighten the knot and pull the thread down to secure the knot with the vertical stitch. So by doing this, we will create Chinese knot. This stitch can be used as a outline stitch or as a filling stitch to fill a particular area. You can use this Chinese knot. We will do a quick video of this stitch. Now we will do the last stitch over here in the center of the circle. You can secure the back side of the stitch by taking a knot to avoid the stitches from opening. So we have finished learning how to do Chinese knot.